Hey everyone, welcome to Benefits of. Let's talk about coffee. It's more than just a drink, it's a global phenomenon. Millions start their day with a warm cup, finding comfort in its rich aroma and invigorating taste. But have you ever wondered about the science behind this beloved beverage? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of coffee to uncover the amazing perks packed into every cup. From boosting your brain power to potentially reducing disease risk, we'll explore the top benefits that might just make you appreciate your daily brew even more. Get ready to discover the fascinating connection between coffee and your well-being. Let's get caffeinated. We all know that feeling, that sluggish morning fog that coffee seems to magically erase. But how does it work? Well, coffee's secret weapon is caffeine, a natural stimulant that goes straight to your brain. Caffeine blocks a neurotransmitter called adenosine, which is responsible for making you feel tired. By hitting the brakes on adenosine, caffeine allows stimulating neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine to take the wheel. The result? Increased alertness, focus, and even improved mood. Basically, your brain on coffee is firing on all cylinders, ready to tackle the day. Looking to shed a few pounds? Coffee might just be your new best friend. Believe it or not, that morning cup of joe can actually aid in weight management. Caffeine is a known thermogenic, meaning it increases your metabolism and the number of calories your body burns at rest. Think of it as your internal furnace getting cranked up a notch. But it gets even better. Some studies suggest that coffee, particularly caffeinated coffee, can boost your metabolic rate for several hours after you finish your cup. So while coffee alone won't magically melt away pounds, it can definitely give your metabolism a helpful nudge in the right direction. Beyond the energy boost and potential weight management benefits, coffee also boasts some impressive health perks. Researchers have been studying coffee's impact on our bodies for years, and the findings are pretty remarkable. Coffee is chock full of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells against damage from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of developing serious health conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Now, it's important to remember that correlation doesn't equal causation. More research is always being done, but the evidence so far suggests that enjoying coffee in moderation might just be a delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. When we think about coffee, caffeine usually steals the spotlight. But did you know that your daily cup is also a source of essential nutrients? Coffee beans are actually seeds, and like most seeds, they come packed with vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function at their best. While the amounts might seem small, a cup of coffee can provide you with riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, manganese, potassium, and even magnesium. These nutrients play a role in everything from energy production to bone health. So even in small amounts, they contribute to your overall well-being. It's like a little bonus boost with every sip. Calling all fitness enthusiasts, coffee can be your pre-workout secret weapon. Remember how caffeine boosts your energy and focus? Well, those benefits translate to improved athletic performance too. Studies have shown that consuming caffeine before a workout can enhance endurance, increase strength and power, and even reduce your perceived exertion, meaning your workouts feel easier. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or playing a sport, coffee can help you push harder and go further. Just be mindful of your caffeine intake, especially close to bedtime, as it can interfere with sleep. From boosting brain power and torching calories to potentially protecting against diseases and fueling your workouts, coffee truly is a wonder beverage. It's amazing how much goodness is packed into each little bean. So, the next time you brew your favorite cup, take a moment to savor the aroma, taste the rich flavors, and appreciate the incredible ways coffee enhances your day and your health. Always remember, with coffee and life, moderation is key. If you enjoyed learning about the perks of your daily brew, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coffee lovers, and subscribe to my channel for more informative and engaging content.